Hey, how you guys doing? My name's Nick. This is the channel Prepping Bros. This first video that I'm putting up is a little off topic of what the main purpose of this video is going to be, but I thought I'd share it with you guys. So anyway, about 25-30 minutes ago, I was pulled over by the O'Fallon Police Department, about a block away from my house. I was going 35 and I'm 25. And I did get a ticket. That's fine. Um, because I did break the law. I have to, I have to pay for that. I can't just go around breaking the law. I can't go around speeding. So I did get the ticket, and the cop's just doing his job. Uh, but what also went down was, when he had me step out of the vehicle after he took my license and registration and things, and because I saw him get out of a squad car with the clipboard and everything, and I was like, okay, I'm getting a ticket. It's fine. But he had me step out of the vehicle, so I was like, okay. So I stepped out and everything, and stood on the sidewalk, and he was just showing me, going over the ticket with me, and had me sign it. And we, and then he asked me. He said, he brought up my past. He brought up my past, like my previous, I guess my driving record, and I've been pulled over twice before this. One was both of them were for speeding, and but I'd never gotten a ticket for speeding before. I'd gotten one ticket for insurance. I was driving my mom's car, and she had her insurance card in her purse, and that was like a $28 ticket or something. So that's not that big of a deal. Um, but with this one, he just brought that up. He said, "Yeah, I can tell. You're not a troublemaker, anything like that." And he's like, "You're pretty clean." He's like, "So you don't have any guns, drugs, anything like that in the car, do you?" And I said, "No." I kind of laughed, and because that's a little ridiculous. I'm in O'Fallon, Missouri, suburban America, and and he's asking me if I have bombs and shit in my car. So I'm like, okay, no, I don't. And he's like, okay. He's like, so you don't mind if I take a look, do you? And I said, well, with all due respect, officer, I do mind. I don't consent to searches. I have rights, and I have to. I how did I can't remember how I worded it and everything, but I just told him that I don't consent to searches, that I have rights, but that I also respect his. I also respect him and his job and everything. And he took that very well, and he said, okay, well, that's fine. He said, well, you have a nice day and you drive safe. And I said, I will, thank you, you too. So the whole experience was great. Besides the ticket and everything, which is going to cost maybe over $100 or however much it's going to cost. That's kind of set aside. That's a different issue. But just the fact that he actually respected that I was flexing my rights, and he didn't give me any back talk, and he didn't question it any further. He just said, okay, well, that's fine. I respect that, and you have a nice day. So I avoided the search, which I still had nothing to hide, but it's just the fact that I have the right to my privacy, and I see a lot of young people that don't do that nowadays. My brother, I know in the past, he's been pulled over, or he's been pulled over a bunch of times, and he's been searched twice, and he, I don't know, I guess it's just because he didn't flex his right. He knows better now, but it's all because you don't flex your rights, and if you don't flex them, then you might as well not have them. So, and that's what I think that's what it was. He probably already knew what was coming to him, so I think he had maybe already prepared, because he already prepared that I was gonna probably say no, because I do have a "Don't Tread on Me" sticker on the back of my car, and maybe that gave him a hint, and he was already expecting for me to say that, and I'm sure it wasn't a surprise to him. So I thought I'd share that with you guys and everything, and how my whole experience went pretty well, and how and why young people and old people and everybody should flex their rights and show that, hey, you do have rights, and you don't have to give them up for anybody, and you won't always run across good cops like this. So Officer Graham of the O'Fallon Police Department, he did a great job, and so he did his part. I didn't do mine by obeying the law, but he also obeyed the law, and by respecting my rights. So yep, so I thought I'd share that with you guys, and stay tuned for some more videos. I know this is my first one, and hopefully the next videos will actually be on topic of what this channel will be about. So stay tuned for those. Thank you.